Viewers and subs, well gone. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Conci this up Jaii, Valiant this up Popcaan, and we also have Masicka. So I know say you do not want to miss this update. You see me? Big up on yourself, and if you're new to over here, remember subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will never miss a brand new upload. You see me? Big up on yourself like always, and I hope that you enjoy the entire video. So man, make we jump right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna kick this review off as you can see with Valiant and Popcaan. So I don't think I need to go through the history with Valiant and Popcaan and what caused the two of them to part ways. So basically, viewers and subscribers, Valiant are this up Popcaan again. Yeah man, Valiant basically as a Popcaan as some big fish. And I know what that means in a Jamaica. Yeah man. So Valiant was like him upon a live and somebody commented something like him a this up Popcaan. Well, I not say him a this up Popcaan. Him a play some Popcaan this. And somebody commented and said something. I go read it to you and make you see where Valiant respond and say. You see me? But you know goodly say how Valiant obsessed with Popcaan. Well, if you don't say it, well, would understand. You see me? But anyways, I'm going to read away something say, I'm going to see what I go on. Alright, so this person says, look like you want a from Papi. How you obsessed so G? Valiant responded and says, hashtag Davian _ the great. No sir, vibe me a wall with my team. But me glad to find out what him a do up so to him team member them with some laughing emoji. How you know him a do them things there? So viewers and subscribers, it's clearly that Valiant has said Popcaan a fish and Popcaan a go the wrong way. You see me? And like I said, everybody know the story, or everybody's supposed to know the story between Popcaan and Valiant. What caused them to part ways. But a long time people I tell Valiant say, yo bro, just move on and just focus on your career. So when Valiant do stuff like this, people are gonna have it to say, yo, him obsessed with Popcaan. You see me? I know some more sound I will say that in the comment section. But anyways, don't make me know think about that. Valiant had this up Popcaan brawling, and it's obvious in basically you can see say yo a Valiant himself. You see me? So yo, don't make me know think about that. I just want Valiant to focus on himself, him team, and him career. I always say that once it comes on this whole topic with him and Popcaan. You see me? People are gonna say yo, him obsessed with Popcaan, but anyways, like I said, yo, viewers wanna make me know think about that. Wanna feel like Valiant obsessed, or him just cannot get over what Popcaan did to him.
You know them a play the Corolla stop, boom, 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 and the door and knock all them big pussy girl with the aura drop beside of them on the floor a gap. You know my style already, while the Mary shot fly in the belly. Boy, bad time Jim, man, rise the berry and frighten the Freddy. Me the walk with glass like Joseph to chop them head.
It's really impressive to see how far the entertainer Masicka is coming from. You see me? You can say the entertainer come out of the trenches. The entertainer grew up off of the streets, and look how far him there right now. Masicka is a perfect example of an artist that him not give up and him continuously try till him reach the top. You see me? Masicka do really good in his career. Basically, mother say Masicka have the #1 spot lock in a dancehall right now. The entertainer career are going really good. I will have to say yo, big up to Masicka. Like I said, the entertainer are forward from far, and enough artists out there are forward from far, you see me? But we are talking about Masicka. You see me? The entertainer are forward from far, and it look really good if you say yo, him a go on good in his career, and him continuously drop some really good music. You see me? Right now, I don't see none of Masicka album when drop. I don't see none of them flop. All the album them, all of the songs them on the album do good. But all of the album them 438 so me know of really good. And Generation of Kings, yo, all of the songs them on the albums, them sound really good. And up till this day, I still listen to them. You see me? Masicka, I run dancehall right now, bro. I not care nobody want to say. Masicka run dancehall, and it's a good look. How far the entertainer come from, and you can see it. So more have to say big up to all the other artists them we are try same way, and they may not get the bus as yet, but just continue try. You see me? And I have to say big up to my boy Vidigal I want artists, viewers and subscribers when you can go check him out. My bro, just continue to try, you see me? Continue to try, and when your time reach, nobody can stop it. Nobody cannot stop it. You see me? Big up yourself, bro, and big up to the artists, they must still a try. Masicka is a perfect example of an artist that him try till he start work for him. I have enough more artists out there where them try over and over till it start work for them, you see me? So, like I said, this is a review for Masicka, so I'm not really name out no artists, but viewers and subscribers, when you can make me know what you think about that, are, you know? Yeah man, so if you reach this far, remember, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're new to over here.
Man, I talk about changes in life. Jump on a plane if me will post something that I am comfortable with, and somebody will try to use it against me as if I never me post it.
So Conci made this post to his IG and I this up Jaii. It says, me serious as a judge. Me no business who want unfollow me or want go SYM. Me not follow no man nor woman where I follow nobody where I support bottom business. Straight. Me never need no man nor no girl support yet. Cause I have my hand and my foot them. Me stand for righteousness. And if you ain't with that, then me not inna you. Simple. You must be crazy. So the entertainer basically a burn out Jaii. Yeah man. Him a burn out Jaii and I say yo, him no care who want to unfollow him. Him stand for righteousness. So basically him a say yo, him not depend with some man depend. Him not agree with what some man agree to. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, you wanna make me know what you think about that. Conci a burn out Jaii. Or, you know, make me know what you think about any of the topic them on my touch upon, but please make me know what you think about the Valiant topic. I need to hear from Uno, the ball in a phone courtyard. You see me? Big up on yourself like always. Uno know the ball game already. Subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and click that bell to be notified so you do not and will never miss a brand new upload. You see me? Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.